Kunzima kumda ilibombo nophakathi kweli nelizwe laseMozambique. Abaqhubi kunye nabahambi balahlekelwa ngumonde njengokunyanzeleka ukuba balinde iyure phambi kokuba amaxwebhu abo ajongwe ngabasemagunyeni. Njengoko imigca emide ezithuthi, abanye bagqibekelwe ukuba baphume ezimotweni bahambe ngeenyawo zabo ukuze bakwazi ukufikelela kulo mda.
So I'm waiting for 6 hours because now it is 2 o'clock. There's still this car. There's more traffic. So I don't know what can help the problem at the Ponta Gate.
I'm from Joburg and we've been here since 4 a.m. The traffic has been long ever since, and we're going to Maputo. We're visiting our family there.
Abasemagunyeni baxhalabile ngabaqhubi bangayithobeliyo imithetho yezendlela.
Lesingacela ebantwini nasebashayelini ukuthi ababekezelelane futhi funa baqinisekise ukuthi bayaba nawo amaphepha laphelele so that mabafika la eborder kubi nama delays la ngadingakali. Le into lesingabacela ukuthi bayenze abaqinisekise ukuthi neimoto lebahamba ngazo, be it ama trucks or ama buggy or amakhumbi lathwele abantu lathwele abantu nemithwalo, afuneka ukuthi abe lesimeni lesikade sokuba semigwaqweni so that kungabe khona nama delays la ngadingakali.
Umkhosi wokhuselo weli uye wabamba abanye abantu nabebezama ukunqumla kulo mda ngokungekho semthethweni.